Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 20, constructions. In this chapter, we will learn how to construct two parallel lines like this with the help of compass and scale, and how to construct different types of triangles. Okay, construction of triangles, construction of different types of triangle when like equilateral triangles, isosceles triangle, and when the two sides and included angles are given, that type of triangle we are going to study in this exercise. Okay, so you will understand better if you will start one by one each and every question of this exercise. Okay, so let's begin. Question number 1. Draw a line AB and take a point P outside it. Means first we will take a line segment AB and we will take a point outside of this line, not on the line. Okay. Draw another line CD parallel to AB. Means another line CD will be parallel to AB, which will pass through that point, which we will take outside the line AB. Okay. Line segment length is not given, so you can take any length. Okay. And question number 1 and question number 2 is also something like that. Draw a line AB and take a point P that is 5 centimeter away from it. In this, point P has some definite length. Means we will take point P which will be 5 centimeter away from this line AB. Okay, and through that point we have to draw another line which should be parallel to AB. That CD line should be parallel to AB. Both the question are same. But here the P point is some definite length away, but here P point is not a definite length, but you can take outside anywhere like this. So first of all we will take line AB. Suppose this is line AB. Okay. And after that we will take any point P outside the line AB. So suppose I want to take the point P here. You can take it here also, here, anywhere, but it should not be on the line AB. It should be away from it, outside. So suppose this is point P, and also we are going to take any point Q on this line AB. So I am going to take it here, Q. Now we have to join this 2 point like this, and we are going to make an angle at point Q. Okay, so put your pencil inside the compass and put your compass here. Take an angle which should intersect at this point AB. Okay, and with this length only we have to draw another angle at point P, but it should be at this side, alternate angle. Okay, you know when the lines are parallel, the alternate angles are equal. So we are going to make an equal angle at the point Q, equal to the angle which we have made at point Q. Okay, so put your compass properly. Wait. Cut the angle. Okay, now we are going to measure this angle. Put your pencil and compass like this and measure this. Measurement is like that. You have to put it like that. One end at this point, one end at this point. Measure this. Now we are going to keep it here and cut an arc here. Sharp arc. Okay, now I am going to join this 2 point, this point and this point. Okay, with the help of scale you will join it. You can see this line CD is parallel to line AB. Okay, how? Because this angle and this angle we have made equal. These are alternate angle. Alternate angles whenever equal, then lines are parallel. Simple. Now question number 2 also, students, it is also very simple, but in this you have to take a point P which is 5 centimeter away from the line segment AB. AB length is not given, so you can take AB length, any length you can take, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever. But P point is at a fixed distance, that is 5 centimeter away. So take point 5 centimeter. Suppose this is 5, as I am going to take 5 here and 0. Suppose point P is somewhere here. Okay, which is 5 centimeter away. Now take another point Q here on the line AB. Same process, join it. Now I am going to make angle at point Q. Just make it like this. An angle at point Q, and with the same arc draw another angle at point P. But this angle you have to take with the same radius. This arc you have to take with the same radius. At point P. Okay. Now we have to measure this angle. Open it. You have to measure it like this. Okay. This measurement. With this measurement you have to cut an arc here on this. And this point and this point you have to join. This is line CD, and which is parallel to line AB. Okay. Draw these angles properly. Okay. My compass is little loose, so maybe angle is not equal, but you have to take angles equal and arc should be equal, then line will be straight and parallel. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is also like that. This one I will give you as a homework. Given a line L, draw another line M parallel to L at a distance 4.6 centimeter from it. Simple it is. You have to take a line L first of all, then 4.6 centimeter distance take from the scale and put it point P at that point. Okay, write the point P, and from that point P you have to draw a parallel line CD. Understood? Question number 3 is your homework. Now see question number 4. Question number 4, you have to draw a triangle. Construct a triangle when all its sides are 3.8 centimeter. Means which type of triangle it will be? Students, it will be a equilateral triangle because all the sides of triangle is 3.8 centimeter. So look at here. We have to make a equilateral triangle like this. Make a rough sketch for this. 3.8 centimeter. All the sides will be 3.8 centimeter. Okay. For this you have to take 3.8 centimeter distance first. Draw the base. 3.8 will be 3.5, 6, 7, 8. 3.8 is here. Okay. This is suppose 3.8. Write its name. Suppose AB. Now this side also 3.8. So what I am going to do, take 3.8 centimeter. 1, 2, 3. Open your compass up to 3.8 centimeter. It should be equal to this length only. Okay. 3.8 centimeter. Because this is 3. Now cut an arc here. Now put your compass here. With the same 3.8 we are going to cut another arc here. Okay. Now this point, intersecting point of this two arc, we have to join with A and B. This is also 3.8 centimeter and this is also 3.8 centimeter. Suppose this is point C. ABC is your equilateral triangle of side 3.8 centimeter. Understood? Now question number 5. Question number 5 is saying construct isosceles triangle with the following measurement. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. So AB is given 4.2 centimeter. BC and CA, both the sides are 5.4 centimeter. You have to draw it now. Very simple. What you have to do? First of all, always draw a rough sketch. Rough sketch for this AB side. Suppose this is AB. This is 4.2 centimeter. BC and CA both are 5.4 centimeter. Okay. These two sides suppose equal. Isosceles triangle. So what we are going to do first, draw a line AB here of length 4.2 centimeter. So 4.2 centimeter is here. Okay. 4.2 centimeter AB. Now what I am going to do? I am going to draw these two sides which is 5.4 centimeter. So 5.4 centimeter you measure with the help of this ruler. Open your compass. 5.4. Okay. Now 5.4 you take, cut an arc here. Another arc. Both the arc is intersecting at this point. Now you have to join 5.4 and this also two line segment. This is point C. This is 5.4 and this is also 5.4. This is an isosceles triangle whose two sides are equal. Got it? Now question number 5B number and 6, 7, 8 next day we will do. Till here, question number 5A, up to here you have to do in your notebook. Okay, properly. And use compass and scale properly. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to here you have to do.